So today's video, I'm going to show you the difference and try and guide you on the path that I wish I knew before. And today I'm just going to show you what it sounds like. So we're going to hear the reverb and then we're going to hear it as normal. And just see what you, which one you're drawn to. Because a lot of YouTubers, when I tried finding out what sound effects, because I was getting into it and learning all different effects of, like, you know, the sounds of the handpan on YouTube compared to even in person. A lot of them, there was only a couple change of colours and Phil Handpan who told me about reverbs and stuff like that. And there was a chap at Master Handpan who was teaching in another software. It was only them who really helped me. There was a couple of other people that on YouTube that I asked for their help and they just said, oh, it's a trade secret and stuff like that. And I think it's very sad that people have to hide information and stuff like that. So I'm going to give you all the information in today's video. So the first one I would recommend is, if you want a reverb, there is loads of good reverbs on there. You can adjust it yourself, you can make it into your style, how it sounds, and everything like that. You don't need to do what I did, trying to follow Mounty Martin's sound all the time. Make your own, be unique. But there is a beautiful reverb that you can use, and it's free. It comes with all the, well, it should come with all the music softwares. This is what it sounds like without a reverb on. So I'm just going to go up the scale, down the scale. So that's what it sounds like. And then if we add the reverb back on, so that's what it sounds like. It's literally just play. Literally just play. See what fits your style and just put your music out there as well. And I think that's what the key fundamental part is. Play to how you want it to play, sound, make it sound how you want it to sound. Don't try and do what I did, try and copy everybody else's sound. You've got to be unique. You're you for a reason, so be you. A little bit of spiritual philosophy. So this little bit of information helps you out, and I'll catch you again on the other side.